as in who are not using our product, that is vented turbo and polycarbonate sheets. By framing this question here, the major focus we have put in on to know that how many people are really aware about the energy saving products, what are the major costs for running the industry in terms of power, that is electricity, water, maintenance, and the third was what are the major factors that influence the manager for the purchase of these energy saving products. What we found was that the first question was what is the major cost for running this industry, and the 65% of the industry people said that it was the electricity cost that they were concerned on, and the cost they are agreed to, and the 35% people said that it was the maintenance cost. Maintenance cost includes all that, the fuel, the electricity, and in terms of power, we tried to frame this question as they think on the terms of power only, not in terms of production and in terms of other costs they are bearing in the industry. The total number of companies, total number of non-user companies were surveyed was 17. And the second major factor that we found was the factor of purchase that will influence that when we put this question to the person like at the manager level, they were more concerned about the price factor, that the price of the product should be low, and the payback period of this product should be low. The basis of these two questions was almost same. The reply we got on the basis that they were saying that when we try to possess or initiate this kind of product to a purchase department, the purchase department want that the price should be cost effective and the payback period of this kind of product should be low. And the second major what was 41% of found was that the people were saying that it's what kind of benefits we are saying to them for the products, like it cools the area, it works on no electricity. Thirdly, it pump out the smokes and it reduces the heat temperature in the industry. So they were more concerned about that it must show the changes when we use this product. For further slide, I like to call Santosh Kumar.
Thank you, Rahul. Taking the presentation ahead, now the major challenges that we faced during the project were, first was the designing of questionnaire. As this project was totally different from the project that we have been doing, so we had the rough idea but not a proper idea how to design a questionnaire to interview the companies that we are going to visit. So we all decided to make a set of questionnaires from each side, and where we could finally select the best questions that we think are appropriate to be interviewed. We went to our mentor who suggested the necessary changes that needed to be made, and finally Sachin Ede sir sealed the questionnaire for us. Location and barrier to entry in industries. As we surveyed the areas which are scattered up in Nagpur area, from Bittubury, Kalmeswar and Hingna MIDC as well. So it was very difficult to us to find out the exact location of those companies, and majorly the studies that we followed were through cold calling. So their barrier to entry in the industry was very high. Many companies straight away refused to entertain us, and which consumed a lot of time of ours during the research process. Many companies said to take an appointment and come in next week. So it was a time-consuming process for us, and more important, traveling from here to Bittubury area and getting a negative feedback was really frustrating. But we again went on here and did our job. Finding the right respondent for the schedule. Here the user of the product and the purchaser of the product are the two different persons. So what was the major problem that we were finding? But to whom to question? When we were entering the industry, we were not able to find the right person who could answer to us what are the benefits of the product that they are getting, what are the measurable difference that can see now and before they were using this product. So there were the major problem that we were facing here. Time duration for the interview. Here, as the company personnel were not willing to give much time of their to us, so it was very difficult. It was going difficult on us to gather more information from them in a limited time. So we were trying to extract more information from them in a limited time, which was a bit more challenging as well. The major conclusion did we came up with different utility for same products in different industries. in different segments industries were purchasing the same products for different uses. Like when we enter